Hey, Chad. Hey, Brad, what's up? Not much, Chad, just broing around. Cool. Hey, Chad. What? Wanna hear about something cool? Oh, dude, this isn't gonna be a knowledge thing. Bro, science is real. Bro, stop. Okay, but check this out. What? I know! The seven senses: vision, hearing, touch, taste, smell, kinesthetic, and vestibular. So, like, what are those other two? We'll get to those, bro. Bro, you're not gonna give me one of those boring lectures, right? Of course not, bro. Thank God. I'm gonna give you a totes rad lecture. No! Bro, it's gonna be totes rad. Rad. Totes. Well, I guess. If it's rad. Vision. Okay, so there's like vision, okay? Yeah. It's like how you see. Anyway, it's kind of complicated. Oh, bro, stop. I hate complicated. So there's the eye, right? And it's got all these parts. So light bounces off things, dude, and goes in your eye, right? Okay. Okay, so first, the light goes in through your cornea and through your pupil, which is basically a hole in the middle of your eyeball. The pupil can get big and small depending on how bright it is. Okay, and the iris is a thing that makes the pupil big or small. It's a muscle, right? Bro, are you saying your eyeball can lift? Yes. So the light goes through that, and then there's a lens that focuses the light, and light goes all the way through this, like, nasty stuff, and then hits your retina. WTF is a retina? It's this thing in your eye. It's the place where all these cells that sense light and things send signals to the brain. There's a lot of cells, like rods and cones. But not like real rods or cones, that's just what they're called. The rods, like, they can tell whether it's light or dark, and the cones are, like, for color. I'm colorblind. That means your cones are, like, missing a thing. Like a red-green thing, probably. Cones have different things for different things. Like, they can pick up green and red and blue, but if one of those things doesn't work, it doesn't work, you feel me, bro? I feel you, bro. Okay, yes, anyway. There are more cells than that, but, like, rods and cones are the first ones. The rods and cones pick up the light, and then they, like, send signals to the horizontal cells, which send signals to the bipolar cells, and then, like, the amacrine and the ganglion, and eventually the optic nerve, which is, like, this big bundle of nerves that goes from the eyeball to the brain. You make a picture in your brain based on what's going on in the optic nerve. That's hard to remember, dude. Don't worry, dude, because it's easy when you have a mnemonic. Race cars hit bumps and go over nails. 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 Good, bro. Thanks, bro. So yeah, that's vision. Hearing. Okay, so like hearing is really weird. By the way, it's also called audition, like an audition. Oh, rad. Yeah, it's pretty rad, Chad. That's funny, Brad. Right now, let's talk about hearing. You got like 3 ears in each one of your ears. I mean, that's what it's called. It's weird, like I said. The outer ear is like the ear part. It's called the auricle. Sound waves go in through your outer ear, and like, yeah, they like go in, right? And they hit the thing, the tympanic membrane. Bro, what's that? It's the eardrum, dude. It's okay, you'll learn. Anyway, past that is the middle ear, and then there are like these 3 teeny tiny bones. They're so small. They're called the hammer, anvil, and the stirrup, or like the malleus, incus, and stapes, if you want to use the cool words. Bro, how are those words the cool words? They're cool. Okay. So, like, after the sound waves make those bones vibrate, the sound goes into the inner ear, where there's this thing called the cochlea. Nice, I love coke. So the cochlea. And it's kind of funny because the cochlea is filled with fluid and stuff. So like, if you need to remember this for something that of course you wouldn't because there's not going to be a test over this, but if you did, that would be a good way to remember it. So yeah, basically the cochlea's got stuff in it, and when the sound waves hit, they make these like ripples in like the basilar membrane, which is this thing. It's this thing, I don't know, it's a membrane. It's got these really, really small hairs on it, like hair cells, I mean, and the hair triggers the nerve cells, and the rest is just brain stuff, man. Wow. Touch. I know what touch is. You just feel things and they're like, yeah. Yeah, it's like, basically, just like you touch things and you feel them. Sensory nerves and your skin, you take messages back to your spinal cord, which goes to your brain and stuff. There's like a sensory cortex thing. It's this place in your brain that like lets you know when you feel things. Oh yeah, but there's also like several different types of feeling. Like it's a different thing that senses hot or cold or pressure or like yeah, whatever. And then there's also pain. Pain's important, bro. But why do we feel pain, bro? Because, bro, we need it, bro. Yeah, like think about it. What if you fell off your skateboard doing rad tricks and broke your leg and you didn't know? You're just walking around with a broken leg. What would happen? It would be bad, bro. Oh, okay. Taste. Oh, hey, I know this one. There's like 4 basic tastes, right? Sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Nice job, bro. Thanks, bro. You're wrong, though. Bro. Just kidding, you're mostly right. But there's another taste. Umami. Yeah, it's like fats and stuff. It's good. Yeah, like everything is a combination of these 5 tastes. But I feel like I can taste more things than that. That's because of smell, bro. Smell? Smell. Yeah, see, like you can smell your food before you taste it. There's a lot of different smells. That's why it seems like you can taste more than 5 things. Okay, plug your nose, bro. Why? Do it. Okay, now eat this. Bro! I can only taste if it's sweet, sour, bitter, salty, or umami. Exactly. Yeah, so smell is like odor molecules and stuff, and it goes into your nose, and like there's like a nose space in your head, and like thingalings detect the odors. Radical. Kinesthetic sense. Okay, bro, I'm not chill with this more than 5 senses, because this goes against everything I know about life. Well, tough because this project is on 7. It's good though. If you didn't have this one, it would be bad. The kinesthetic sense is like your sense of like where your body is and moving your body without looking and stuff. But can't you just do that? No, there was a dude once and he couldn't do it, and if the lights were off, he'd just like WTF. Like, since we have it, and the lights go off at the club, we can still dance, bro. You don't go to clubs. Vestibular sense. And the last one is the vestibular sense. What's that? Like balance and stuff. And motion. Like you can tell when you're moving and when you're gonna fall. And when you spin around a lot, you get dizzy. The vestibular sense is like fluid in the semicircular canals in your ears, and when you stop spinning, the fluid keeps moving for a while, and you still feel like you're spinning. Okay, nice. That was the 7 senses! That was so cool, and I love lectures so much. Learning is totally radical. Don't forget to study for the test! What? Not you. Okay, well, thanks, bro. That was really rad, Brad. Thanks, Chad. I'm gonna tell Tad. He'll be glad to have had this rad knowledge. Stop, that's so bad. You mad? Thank you. That's it.